Okay. We're going to use 6 cups of sugar. Use an equal amount of sugar to vinegar. I'm going to use brown sugar and organic sugar here, sugar cane. So we're going to use 6 cups of sugar, 6 cups of vinegar. For every 2 cups of sugar, you use 1/3 cup of salt. So 3/3 equals 1 cup of salt. 6 cups of sugar, 1 cup of salt, 3 cups of white vinegar, 3 cups of apple cider vinegar. This is a very strong brine, very sweet, and we're going to put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. I'm going to add a nice heaping tablespoon, about a teaspoon for every 2 cups of vinegar. 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon. I'm going to add some extra allspice, and we don't want that to boil too long. In fact, take it off the heat. I'm going to ladle it in here, going close to one of the jars, so I'll show you. Just place it right on top. Some garlic chunks, some ginger chunks, some diced green bell pepper, I'm going to pack in a whole bunch of spears. Pack them in there, nice and tight. They're going to shrink. Remember how tight they are, because you'll see how loose they're going to get. Then I'm going to put a little bit of jalapeno in there, liven it up. Some more peppers on top. And another bit of onions here. Okay, there's one. Onions. chips. Oops, more onions. Peppers. More ginger. Garlic. Chips. Pack them in. They will shrink. Okay, these are our bread and butters. Somebody in New Zealand, their grandmother said that this will make the pickles extra crunchy. I gave them a salt and ice bath. My cat is attacking me because I have a morph on me apparently. Clear out all the ice. Drain the water, or brine. Very salty water. And onions, garlic, some ginger, colorful peppers in here, sweet peppers. Okay, and I'm going to load it up with these chips. These probably won't shrink as much, but the peppers and onions will. Garlic and ginger. Some sweet peppers. A whole bunch of hot peppers. They've been slit. Jalapenos, habaneros, poblanos. And I'm going to throw this jalapeno in there because there's room for them. Some sweet peppers, top it off. Some onions. Okay, and last, I have steamed beets. I'm going to cut them into slices. Onions. And beets. Some onions. Tight fit. A chunk of a bay leaf, piece of a bay leaf, oops, not in the beets. Piece of a bay leaf. Piece of a bay leaf. These don't have to make a good seal because they're refrigerator pickles. You wouldn't overfill them like this if you were canning them. Tighten them up, give them a rinse. Nice and upright. Onions are brine. Alright. Now that is a whole bunch of pickled things. Alright, let them cool at room temperature. And into the fridge they go. Can you see in this light? You can see how they shrunk. All that space on the bottom there. Okay. Someone's making her burger. She's gonna get to try one of these pickles. Finally. Yeah, open that for me. I only have one hand. Please. Alright, try one, man. Let's get the
Can't get it off.
turns out it made a nice seal after all. Nice crunch too. How's the crunch?
Very crunchy.
Let me get a bite over here. Mmm. You'll never go back to store-bought. Mmm.
If you're craving pickles, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.